Growth hormones or phytohormones. Plant hormones are a group of naturally occurring organic substances which influence physiological processes at very low concentrations. These are also referred to as phytohormones. Scientists Wendt and Thiemann in 1937 defined a hormone as a substance which is transferred from one part of an organism to another. Plant hormones are a unique set of compounds with unique metabolism and properties. Examples of such hormones are auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylene, and abscisic acid. Phytohormones and growth regulators. There is a difference between the term phytohormone and growth regulators. Let's check out these. Phytohormones. These are the chemical substances which are naturally synthesized in the plants and they are present in the plants naturally. They control all the aspects of the plant growth and development from embryogenesis, regulation of organ size. There is pathogen defense mechanisms present in the plant body. There is stress tolerance mechanisms and reproductive mechanisms are also there. Wendt and Thiemann coined for the first time the term phytohormone and used it in the title of their book in 1937. They occur across the plant kingdom and even in algae too. Some phytohormones also occur in the microorganisms such as fungi and bacteria. However, they are not responsible for any specific role in these microorganisms and also regarded as the secondary metabolites in these microorganisms. Now there is another term that is plant growth regulators. A large number of related chemicals which are related to the hormones which are naturally synthesized by the plants. They are synthesized by the humans too. They are used to regulate the growth of cultivated plants, weeds, and in vitro grown plants and plant cells also. These man-made compounds are called plant growth regulators. Plant hormones are not nutrients but they are chemicals which are present in minute quantities to promote and influence the growth, development and differentiation of cells and tissues. The concentration of these hormones required for the plant responses are very low. Now coming to the auxins. Auxins were the first major plant hormones which were to be discovered. They derive their name from the Greek word auxin, that is to grow. Auxins are present in all the plant parts, although in very different concentrations. The pattern of auxin distribution within the plant is a key factor for the plant growth. All the auxins are compounds with aromatic ring and a carboxylic acid group. Most important member of the auxin family is indole 3-acetic acid, commonly known as IAA.